Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take PayPal money off hold. PayPal often places holds on funds for various reasons, primarily to ensure secure transactions and buyer satisfaction. This can happen if you're a new seller, have unusual selling patterns, or if a buyer reports an issue. Understanding these common hold types, like transaction level versus account level holds, is the first step to getting your money released quickly and efficiently. We'll cover how to address each one. For transaction-level holds, the process is straightforward. If you've sold a physical item, simply upload valid tracking information. Once the item is delivered and confirmed, PayPal typically releases the funds within 24 hours. For services or digital goods, mark the order as processed or completed in your PayPal account. Clear communication with your buyer, ensuring they confirm receipt and satisfaction, can also significantly speed up the release of your funds. If you're facing an account-level hold, it usually means PayPal needs more information about your business or identity. Respond promptly to any requests for documentation, such as proof of address, identity verification, or business details. Resolving any open disputes or claims from buyers is also crucial. Providing all requested information accurately and quickly demonstrates your reliability, helping PayPal lift the hold and restore full access to your funds. Regarding timelines, transaction holds for physical goods are often released within 24 hours of confirmed delivery. For services or digital items, funds may become available 7 to 14 days after you mark the order as complete. If no buyer disputes or issues arise, funds are generally released within 21 days from the payment date. Taking proactive steps, like providing tracking or communicating with buyers, can significantly shorten these waiting periods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.